of geography. As I told you, the first lesson filled with it, okay, it's not too much important with the examination point of view. Till you have to read some important question, okay, which I have already provided you on our WhatsApp group. Okay, so today we are going to see location and extent. Okay, location and extent of the country means in this lesson we are going to study location and history of both countries, respectively India and Brazil. Okay, respectively India and Brazil. So now listen, these both countries have very long history. Okay, historically both countries plays very important role in the world. Now on your phone screen, you can find the flag of two different countries. Okay, now listen, first flag, okay, represent the flag of India, whereas second flag represent the flag of Brazil respectively. Now listen, suppose if you are not able to identify the respective flag of the respective country, some hints or some clues are given here. Okay. Now the first clue, this country is the second largest populated country in the world, means after China. Okay, this country is what? Second largest country, okay, in the field of what? Population in the world. Second hint, this country is famous for the crop or production of spices in the world. It means that this country exports spices all over to world. Okay. Next, cricket is popular sport in this country. Now, with the help of these three clues, okay, or hints, you might have realized that this flag is belong to India. Now, let's move to our second flag. Okay, here listen. This country is famous for samba dance. Okay, for example, in India, okay, Lezim is there, Launi is there, Bhangra is there. In the similar way, this country is famous for what? Samba dance. Okay, it is type of dance in this country. Okay. Now, this country known as the coffee pot of the world means this country is a larger producer of coffee. Okay. Next, third hint is given. Football is national game of this country, famous and popular sport of this country. Obviously, this flag represents to Brazil. With the help of these two maps, okay, you may have guessed that today we are going to discuss location and extent of these both countries. Now, the first question arises in your mind is what is meant by location? Now, locations mean the place on the earth. Okay, place of the particular country on the earth means what? Location. And extent means what? The spread of country on the earth means what? Area of the country on the earth. It means that through this lesson we are going to study, okay, the spread of India and Brazil on the earth and their exact location, okay, respectively what? Hemispheric location of the both countries. In order to identify location and extent of the country, we need help of hemisphere. Okay, as you know that earth having two important hemisphere. Okay, one is what? Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, and there are two sub hemisphere, that is what? Eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere respectively. Okay, and one thing you have to keep in your mind, the location of each country is lying between two parallel longitudes. Okay, two parallel longitudes. Okay, and two parallel latitudes. Location of each country is lying between two parallel longitudes, okay, and two parallel latitudes. Now listen, with the help of that only, we are going to study the location and extent of the both countries respectively, okay, longitudinal and latitudinal and hemispheric what location of both the countries. Okay, now listen here. Here you can notice a map of India. Okay, now on this map, in the name of Indian subcontinent countries are given here. But here we just need to study what longitudinal and latitudinal extent of both countries, India as well as Brazil. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, first we are going to start with the location of India. Okay, now listen. First of all, let me clear one idea for you. Okay, so first let's study, okay, how to recognize or how to identify or how to determine hemispheres on the earth. Okay, so now listen, globe is divided, okay, into two parts with the help of equator. Now listen, equator divides earth into two equal parts. Okay, means if you move from equator toward what north, okay, this is what northern hemisphere. Okay, means north hemisphere of the earth. This is what northern hemisphere of the earth. As we move downward towards south, okay, this is what southern hemisphere of the earth. Okay, it means that these two, okay, these two are what main hemisphere of the earth, respectively northern hemisphere and respectively what southern hemisphere. Okay, second, earth can be also divided into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Okay, means listen, equator divide earth into two equal parts. Equator divide earth into what northern hemisphere upside, okay, toward north side, and toward downside means what southern hemisphere. Okay, second, how to determine eastern and western hemisphere now respectively. Okay, listen, zero line, okay, means what prime meridian on the earth divide earth into two what equal parts, okay, perpendicular parts. These perpendicular parts of the earth are considered as what eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Okay, now listen, each and every country on the globe having the location between two latitudes. Latitude means what verticals. Okay, these are, listen, these are what latitudes on the earth. Now these latitudes are what imaginary lines on the earth in order to determine location of any country on the globe. Okay, same is the case about what longitudes. Longitudes are vertical lines on the globe. These longitudes are also what imaginary lines on the earth. Okay, so these are what longitude means. In short, you can see that what you can see, earth is divided into two main what hemisphere, northern and southern hemisphere. Okay, okay, from meridian eastern and western hemisphere. Now these lines are not straight. Okay, as earth is what spherical, so this line is what slant. Okay, these are what slanting lines like this. Okay, these lines are what slanting lines, means like this latitudes, okay, and longitudes are what like this on the earth. Okay, now listen, let me make it clear. Okay, now we are going to study location of India on the earth. Okay, location of India on earth. Okay, now listen, from equator as you go northern side, you can find 19 latitudes. How many latitudes? 19 latitudes. And as you move downward toward what southern side, you can find 90 latitudes. Means there are 180 latitudes on the earth. Similarly, there are 360 longitudes on earth. Okay. Okay. About what? Hemisphere. Okay. So here, east, west, north, and south. Okay. Location of each and every country is lying between two longitudes and two latitudes. Okay. So now let's start that longitudinal and latitudinal extent of India. Okay. First, we are going to study hemispherical extent of India. Okay. Now listen, here the first line indicate what? India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere of the earth. Now you have question in your mind, sir, how India is located, okay, into extent of both hemisphere, respectively northern and eastern hemisphere. Okay, so now listen. From here, what passes? Equator passes. Okay, equator divide earth into what? Two parts. Okay, means northern part and southern parts. Okay, this is your what? Northern part, and this is what? Southern part. Okay, in the similar way, okay, zero meridian. Okay, zero meridian divide earth into again two equal parts. That is what? Eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So now listen, here you can find, okay, India is located somewhere here. Okay, so obviously you can find that India is located into northern hemisphere and into what? Southern hemisphere. Okay, from here it is what? Into northern hemisphere, and from here into what? Eastern hemisphere. Okay, northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Okay, now one important thing, okay, one notable thing is here. Okay, from here if you start zero, okay, as you go upward you can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are what? Latitudes on the earth. Okay, so as you move up to what? 29 degree 30 minutes eastward, northward. Okay, 23 degree 30 minutes. Okay, from here what passes, do you know? On 23 degree. So from here, Tropic of Cancer. Okay, Tropic of Cancer passes through what? Middle part of India. Okay, which is located on 23 degree 30 minutes. Okay, north. Okay, so now listen, location of India is what? India is located into northern and eastern hemisphere of the earth. Okay, same is the case about Brazil. Okay, now what is the location of Brazil? Now we are just saying what? Location of Brazil. Okay, means in which hemisphere Brazil is what? Located. So Brazil is located somewhere here. Okay, so now listen, here two notable things about Brazil is what? Okay, equator passes from the northern part of the Brazil. Okay, this is what? Northern part of the Brazil. This is southern part of the Brazil. This is what? Eastern part of the Brazil, and this is what? Western part of the Brazil. Okay, so equator passes through what? Northern part of the Brazil. Okay, question may become in exam. Okay, through which part of the Brazil equator passes? So equator passes through what? Northern part of the Brazil. In the similar way, Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn is passes through what? Southern part of Brazil. Okay, so two tropics are passed through what? Brazil. Okay, that is why the climate of Brazil is what? Temperate. Okay, so one is what? Equator, and second is what? Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so these are what? Hemispherical location of both the countries. So here you can say, okay, some part of Brazil is located in northern hemisphere. Okay, and most of the part of Brazil is located in what? Southern hemisphere of the earth. It is also located into western hemisphere of the earth. Okay, because here you can notice that some part of Brazil is located where? Into northern hemisphere. From this part. Okay, this part of Brazil is located to what? northern hemisphere, whereas okay, maximum part of Brazil, okay, is located into what? Southern hemisphere. Okay. Secondly, Brazil is located in what? Western hemisphere, also means northern, southern, and western hemisphere. Okay. So now we studied hemispherical what? Extent of both the countries. Okay. Now the colorful shading portion is what? Located into northern hemisphere. Okay. And rest of part, most of this part means what? 90% of part of Brazil is located into what? Southern hemisphere. Means Brazil is located respectively in three hemisphere. Okay. Northern, southern, and western. Okay. And here you can find the shading which is what? Yellow color. Okay. Means 90% of part of Brazil is located in what? Southern hemisphere. Okay. Now let's start longitudinal and latitudinal extension of both the countries. Some part of Brazil is located into northern hemisphere. Most of the part is located, okay, most of the part of Brazil located into what? Southern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Okay, I will make it clear after a bit. Okay. Now let's start with India. Okay, let's start with India. Now the longitudinal and latitudinal extension of India. Okay, now listen, on your mobile screen, you can find map of India, okay, along with rest of what? Subcontinent countries of India. So now listen, how to determine longitudinal and latitudinal extension of the country, do you know? As I told you, okay, India is entirely located into what? Northern hemisphere. So now we have to move from what? Equator to what? North part. Okay, it means that India is located what? Above equator. Okay, India is located what? Above equator. It means that we have to start from what? Equator to what? Northern hemisphere. From equator, okay, to northern hemisphere. It means that here you can say, okay, first of all, we need to study what? Latitudes. Okay, because from equator, what passes, do you know? Parallel. From equator, latitudes are passes parallel. Okay, and from zero meridian, what passes parallel, do you know? From zero meridian, equator, okay, latitudes passes what? Parallel, perpendicular to each other. Okay, longitudinal and latitudinal extent of India. So first start with what? Longitudinal extent of India. Okay, 37 degree 6 minute north. Now why I have taken north here, do you know? Because India is entirely located into what? Northern hemisphere. Okay, so 37 degree, okay, so from what? 37 degree 6 minute north. Okay, why north? Because we are moving toward what? Northward from what? Equator. मतलब अपन equator से हम कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं मालूम है ना? ऊपर north की तरफ जा रहे हैं. That is why. Okay, from equator to what? Northern side of the earth. Okay, so from 37 degrees 6 minutes north. Now listen, you easily got 37 degree, but now what is mean by 6? Okay, minute 6. How to determine the 6 minute? Okay, on the map. Okay, now listen, last time, okay, when we studied international date line, okay, as per what? Longitude and latitude. At that time I told you, okay, perpendicular each longitude divide earth, okay, into equal part. Means as you cross one longitude, you move what? 4 minutes ahead and 4 minutes what? Backward. Means as you move eastward, you move what? 4 minutes as per what? Each longitudes. Okay, as you cross one longitude up to 2, okay, second to what? Third. In eastward, it means that you are going into what? Plus time. Means what? 4 minutes plus. But as you move western world, okay, you are moving what? 4 minutes back. But here listen, we are just limited up to the borders of India. Okay, in our last lesson, okay, at that time we determined the time, entire time of the earth. Okay, हमारा जो last lesson था, okay, वहाँ पे हमने क्या क्या मालूम है ना? पूरी अर्थ का टाइम डिटरमाइन किया था. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या है मालूम है ना? लैंड जो एक्सटेंड हो क्या है? सीमित है, बहुत कम एक्सटेंड लैंड का. इसलिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा मालूम है ना? खाली इंडिया का जो टाइम है, लिमिटेड टाइम, उसके हिसाब से हमें यहाँ पे minute determine करना है. It means that one latitudes, okay, one latitude consists of 60 minutes. Means listen, if you start from one latitude, if you move here, okay, in other words, to what second latitude, it means that you have passed what 60 minutes. How many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, means from one latitude to second latitude, the distance is what 60 minutes. Okay, in this way, here you can find, okay, from here listen, you can find, okay, now equator passes somewhere here from India. Equator passes from somewhere here, huh? South part of India. Okay, it is not passes through India. Huh? It is slightly passes what nearby to India. Okay, so from equator as we move what northern world, here you can find